Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily export your financial statements from Quicken Simplify. Let's get started. First, log into your Quicken Simplify account on their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Reports or Transaction section from the menu. To export statements, select the date range you want to review, whether it is monthly, quarterly, or custom. You can filter transaction by category, accounts, or type for a more detailed view. Next, click the export button usually located at the top or the bottom of the report. Choose your preferred format. CSV for spreadsheet analysis, great for Excel or Google Sheets. PDF for a clean, printable summary. If you're exporting transaction, the CSV file will include details like dates, amounts, categories, and merchants. For budget or spending reports, you will see visual like charts and graphs in the PDF version. Use these exports to track trends, share with your account, or back up your financial data. Pro tip: set up automated exports by scheduling reports to be sent to your email monthly. Just enable notifications in the settings. And that's it. You've just exported your quick and simplified statements like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how you use these exporters. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.